Okay, folks, so I've seen a lot of people asking how to become an affiliate, especially Amazon affiliate, which used to be called Amazon Associate, but now I guess they changed the word associate to affiliate to kind of resemble everyone else in the industry. And a lot of bloggers, vloggers, and people who aren't involved in online marketing or online business, they have heard of affiliate marketing, but they aren't sure where to go and how to start. So in this video, we'll try to create a new Amazon affiliate account for Elizabeth Travels, a vlogger, and we'll be showing you step by step kind of what we're going through. So first of all, we're going to Amazon.com. This is the home page. So you simply scroll down the page and you look for become an affiliate link, which you are seeing on the screen right now. So you click on that link and this is where you sign up as an affiliate. So there's some explanations how it works. It's really basic. They're not really going to tell you anything really interesting or helpful here. The main point is that you have to join now for free. Just click on that link right there. And you have to sign up with your email address. I'm a new customer. You have to choose that because you're not a returning customer. And you'll have to put in either your email or mobile number. Click on sign in. And this is where you're gonna enter the rest of the information, like your first name and last name. Alright, so now you are taken to another page, and this is where you put in even more information. And as you can see, it says that residents of Arkansas, Maine, Missouri, Rhode Island, Vermont are not eligible to participate in the Associates program. This has to do with taxes and the way you pay taxes in your states, and those states claim that they're not able to track how much money people make online. It's really complicated. So now if you really want to become an affiliate on Amazon and you live in one of those states, one of the ways how people do it is basically they register an out-of-state LLC and they sign up on Amazon in the name of that LLC, which is in a state that's allowed to use Amazon affiliate program. All right, so let's move on. Okay, now here's the thing, guys and girls. It was a lot easier to become an Amazon affiliate back in the day, back when I started affiliate marketing, 2007, 2008. And now it's getting a little bit harder. Because there's so many people asking to become an affiliate, Amazon had to figure out a system to filter out the people who they want to work with. Back in 2008, I believe, there were over 2 million registered Amazon affiliates. And I'm sure that the number only went up by now, by 2017. So this is why right now Amazon is asking you to enter your website or enter your mobile app where you will be promoting it through. Now, to be honest, having a website really helps a lot, and especially if your website is active and has content on it. So if possible at all, before registering as an affiliate to Amazon, create a blog or website of some sort and start posting articles on it. If you're a travel blogger, you probably already have articles on your blog. If you do any kind of if you have any kind of online presence, you need to have a website. This is the foundation of your online business anyway. So you need to have a website. If you don't have a website, chances are that Amazon affiliate program will not accept you. So if you have big following anywhere on social media platforms, put them in here. But it's much more suggested to have a website or a YouTube channel or something of that sort. Now, even if you don't have a website, there is a chance that Amazon will deny your application, but you could reapply later on when you have added more content and when you made your website or your channel look more successful and more active. Most importantly, it has to look active. Okay, so now you have to put more information. Okay, so now Amazon is asking, what are your website or mobile apps about? You can't just write one word like cooking or training or weight loss. You have to write one sentence or maybe two sentences explaining what your website or channel is all about and that you think Amazon will be able to provide great products for your audience. This is why you want to promote them. This is why you think Amazon will be a good fit for your online presence. Once again, make it a few short phrases. Don't make it just a single word. Which of the following topics best describe your website or mobile apps? Secondary topic, maybe photography. Amazon items you tend to list on your website or mobile apps. Content or niche website. Traffic monetization. How do you drive traffic to your websites? Okay, so in this section, you have to choose which traffic avenues you're exploiting to get people to your blog or to your YouTube channel, to whatever that is. Choose all of them that apply. If you guys put any money into advertising for your blog or your channel, you have to mention that. Tell them that you do paid search as well. And in my opinion, Amazon sees that, or sees you as a more serious affiliate if you're actually putting money back into your business. So select all that apply. How do you usually build links? Amazon wants to know how you actually physically type in links into your platform, into your blog or into your videos, whatever there is. So if you're using a blogging platform like a WordPress or Blogger, just select that. If you have some outdated website, which I have no idea why you would by now, you could use HTML editor. But most of you watching this video will have to choose the blog editor because that's probably what you're using. Next question. How many total unique visitors do your websites and apps get per month? Now, that's a really hard one because Amazon wants you to have a lot of audience in order to accept you as an affiliate. I'm not saying that you should lie to them, but you should kind of optimize that and think of all the traffic you're actually getting in total. So if you have a website and a YouTube channel and a social media presence, you have to kind of figure out how many visitors do you get from all of that. And that's the kind of answer that I would go with. What is your primary reason for joining the Amazon Associates program? To get rich content for my site, to monetize my site, other. This is a really hard question and I'm not sure what the proper answer is. I think to monetize my site would be kind of not the best answer because you kind of seem like you're just in it for the money, which you are. This is one of the main reasons you're using Amazon, to kind of make money, but you're also using it to make your users' experience better because you're trying to provide them with products that would fit them and you're trying to help them find what they're looking for. I would probably choose to get rich content for my site because you are improving your content by adding products. And the last question is, how did you hear about us? Us meaning Amazon affiliate program. You could choose anything really here. I would probably go with word of mouth because that's how I first heard of Amazon affiliate program. Alright, so after filling out all that information, Amazon is now asking us to enter a phone number so they could verify your identity. Well, basically they want to verify that you actually have a phone number and they could get in touch with you. And they'll probably send you a PIN or something like that. Right, so, okay, it's calling me now.
We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon.com to complete your registration. Thank you.
Last but not least, check in the terms and conditions. If you haven't read them, read them. Could be something interesting in there because Amazon is a little bit strict with you breaking the rules. So make sure you know their terms and conditions and make sure that you're not doing anything against the rules. Now click on Finish button. Alright, so this is something interesting because I've heard a lot of people getting rejected from Amazon affiliate program. Now, Elizabeth here just got a message, a confirmation saying that her application will be reviewed shortly after she has referred her first sale on Amazon.com. In the meantime, you have been granted the full access to Associates Central 24 hours a day. So it seems like you have been approved into the affiliate program on Amazon. One last thing to do. You want me to say that?
Mm-hmm.
Amazon also reserves the right to close down your affiliate account if you haven't been active for full 180 days. So if you haven't made any sales within 6 months, they will probably shut your account down simply to clean up their database, because they see you're not an active affiliate and they don't wanna keep you in their database. Last but not least, you will have to enter your payment and tax information in order to get paid by Amazon. Click on later for now. I want to mention here that if you live in the US or US territories, or you're a US citizen, you will have to fill in proper tax information. If you live in another country and you are not a US citizen, for instance, you're a Canadian living in Canada, or you live in a European country, you don't have a US citizenship, you wouldn't have to put in any American tax information or tax ID or anything of that sort. They have a special form for people like you and people like me, where we have to fill out, which basically we're telling Amazon that we are not in the US and we are not US citizens, so we are exempt from those American taxes, and we promise to pay taxes in our own country. All right, so that clears up this whole tax question, because a lot of people ask me, how do I pay taxes? I'm not an American. How do I apply to Amazon.com? As simple as that. You just apply from anywhere in the world, and if you're an American, you fill in your tax information. If you aren't an American, you fill in the exemption forms. And boom, there you go. You are now in the Amazon Associates Central, or the Amazon Affiliate Program, and this is basically how it looks. This is your main dashboard as an Amazon affiliate. One last thing I'd like to show you is how this actual thing works, how the links work. There are different ways to generate links to any products on Amazon. You could even create Amazon stores and so on. But I'll show you a very simple way to get an affiliate link once you're an Amazon affiliate. So I just clicked on this camera on Amazon, the G3300 for $446. So if you click on text right here in the left corner, a new window will open, and this is your affiliate link, or you could see the full link by clicking full link. This is the link that you will share with people, and whenever they make a purchase, whenever someone buys this camera using this link, Amazon will pay you a commission on that sale.